Poetry, a dance of words, a canvas of emotions, and the soul's intimate conversation with the world. As we start this journey, remember that writing poetry is as much about feeling as it is about formulating. So let's unravel some of the core aspects of penning a poem. First is to find inspiration. Every poem starts as a spark. Inspiration can come from anywhere: a fleeting emotion, a riveting story, nature's marvels, or the depths of your imagination. Keep your senses alive and embrace the world around you. A next step might be to free write and brainstorm, because you need to let your thoughts flow unrestricted before you craft your masterpiece. Jot down your feelings, imagery, or just random words. It's like warming up before a marathon. And embrace metaphors and similes. Metaphors and similes are the spices of your poetic stew. They create vivid imagery, drawing parallels between unrelated things. The world is a stage, or time flies like an arrow, are classic examples. And don't forget to focus on sound and rhythm. The melody of a poem lies in its sound and rhythm. Play with alliteration, assonance, and onomatopoeia. Feel the music in the words. You might choose a form, or you might not. There are many poetic forms to explore, from sonnets to haikus to free verse. And while structured forms offer discipline and tradition, free verse is like painting outside the lines. So choose what resonates with your message. Above all, be genuine, because your authenticity is your greatest asset. Readers connect with genuine emotions and experiences. Speak your truth, even if your voice shakes. And finally, revise, revise, and revise again. First drafts are just that. Poetry often thrives in revision, so return to your work, refine it, and let it evolve. Some things that may help you on your way are to read widely. If you expose yourself to a variety of poets, styles, and eras, you may feel more confident in crafting your own work. From Rumi's mysticism to Plath's intensity, let the masters be your guiding stars. And don't be afraid to break some rules. Poetry thrives on innovation. Your unique voice might just be the next game changer. And at the heart of it all, poetry is an exploration, a journey within and beyond. Each poem you pen adds to the universe of human expression. Keep writing, keep feeling, and let your poetic soul shine. And if you like this video, please press that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more Learning with Dr. K content. Till next time.